So over here, the first thing I asked you guys to do was do just the rational zero test. And again, just the rational zero test is helpful because that's going to tell us what our possible rational zeros are going to be. So when we're looking at this, again, what we need to do is find the constant. And the constant in this equation is going to be 16. So you take plus or minus the factors of 16, which is going to be 16. Let's see, we got 8, 4, 2, and 1. Just the factor of 16, just like I did the factors of 14. Then you put those over plus or minus the factors of my leading coefficient, which in this case is 1. Well, that's pretty nice because in reality, anything over 1 is just whatever anything was. So my possible rational zeros are just plus or minus 16, plus or minus 8, comma, plus or minus 4, comma, plus or minus 2, comma, plus or minus 1. So again, what this tells us is any real rational zero of this polynomial is going to be one of those numbers. Now again, real rational zeros does not cover every single number. You can have irrational. You can have imaginary, right? So it doesn't cover every type of zero, but it does cover all the real rational zeros. Now, I asked you guys again, just to practice graphing this so you could find the zero, a real zero, which would be a real x-intercept. Does anybody find an x-intercept they want to give me? Yes, AJ? 2. So if I say, all right, by using graphing, I found 2 to be a 0. Now what I will do is I'll use synthetic division to find another factor. So I have 1, -4, -4, 16. I'll kind of go through this quickly. All right? And again, what was nice about this problem is you could have done 4. You could have done -2, right? Those are all real zeros. So we kind of already know the answer here. But anyways, that's your remainder, constant, linear, quadratic. So if 2 is a 0, that means x minus 2 is a factor. And our quotient is our other factor. Now, if we want to find all the zeros, we need to set our factors equal to 0. Well, we already know x minus 2 gives us our 1, 0. And then here, I need to set that equal. So I need to factor it. So basically, this one's nice. See, I did the hard problem for you. You're welcome. I did the hard factoring problem. You guys needed to factor this. What two numbers multiply to give you -4, add to give you -2? X minus 4 times x plus 2. So therefore, x equals 4 and x equals -2. And do you guys see, are those all solutions that are part of our rational zero? Yes. That's it. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is on problems, what you will see on a quiz or a test